In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow editing access in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone to make changes to your spreadsheet safely and confidently. Start by heading to Google in your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. This matters because the file you want to share needs to be owned by or accessible to the account you're using right now. Look to the top right of the page and click the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. This opens a panel of Google services. Choose Sheets to go straight to your spreadsheets. If you already have a shortcut or your document open in a tab, you can use that as well. Once Google Sheets loads, open the spreadsheet you want to share. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct file and the latest version, so your collaborators will be working on the right data. In the top right corner of the sheet, click the Share button. This opens the sharing settings window. Here's where you'll invite people and control what they can do. In the field labeled for adding people or groups, type the email address of the person you want to collaborate with. Double-check for typos. A small mistake can send an invite to the wrong person or leave your teammate waiting. If you work with a team mailing list, you can use that to share with multiple people at once. Next to the person's name or email, there's a permission drop-down. Click it and select Editor. This is the key step. Editor access allows the person to add, change, and delete content, use formulas, format cells, and make structural changes like inserting rows or columns. For context, viewer can only look at the file, and commenter can leave feedback without changing cells. Choosing Editor ensures they can fully collaborate. Optionally, add a short message. A quick note like what to review, deadlines, or where to start can save back and forth later. If you prefer not to send an email, you can toggle off notifications, but leaving it on is helpful so they see the invite. Finally, click Send. Your collaborator will receive an email with a link, and their editing access will be active right away. If they don't see changes take effect, ask them to refresh the sheet or confirm they're signed in with the same email you invited. That's it. You've successfully allowed editing access in Google Sheets.